Are you looking for the best DeWalt drill? In this video, we will break down the top 4 DeWalt drills. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit DCD771C2. The brushed motor version of DeWalt's line of 20V max drills is the most affordable of its cordless offerings, but it's certainly no slouch. Though not as fast as some of its higher-priced brothers, it's not far off with a max speed of 1,500 RPM. That's impressive, given its half-an-inch chuck size and 300 UWO rating. While that may not quite cut it at the construction site, that's more than enough power to handle most DIY projects. The drill is noticeably longer and heavier than DeWalt's premium cordless drills at 8.5 inches long with a total weight of 3.6 pounds. This bulkier size makes it a bit more cumbersome to use for long periods and can limit the drill's ability to fit into tight spaces. However, with an ergonomic handle and grip that's comparable to DeWalt's top-tier drills, this affordable model is still quite comfortable to wield. At number 2. DeWalt DCD701F2 Xtreme 12V Max Brushless 3/8 in. Drill/Driver Kit. The DeWalt DCD701F2 12V drill combines power, comfort, and convenience in a way that none of the other tested drills do. In our tests, it bored 31-inch holes through a 2x10 on a single battery charge, results that show it can handle just about anything within the 4 walls of a home, and even the occasional foray into more aggressive work such as a small decking repair. The DeWalt 12V power is on a par with that of some of the other drills we looked at, but it particularly excels in ergonomics and convenience features. The molded handle seems to account for every curve and bulge of the hand, making this drill the most comfortable we've ever held. The battery is designed so that the drill can stand upright when not in use, and the LED is positioned such that it illuminates the drill front better than most. The DCD701F2 also comes with a nice belt hook, and the battery gauge is on each battery rather than on the tool, so you can check batteries without having to insert them into the drill. At number 3. DeWalt Variable Speed, half-an inch, 10.5 amp, DWD220. Bigger jobs demand a corded drill with a powerful motor that can produce ample torque. With its 10.5 amp motor, DeWalt's top-of-the-line corded drill can generate enough power to bore holes up to 3 5/8 inches in diameter with a hole saw or 1.5 inches in diameter with an auger. It also includes handy safety features that prevent the drill from overheating. Its E-clutch system reduces the motor's torque if it encounters resistance that could damage the motor. To ensure the operator is able to control all of that torque safely, the drill comes equipped with a side handle that allows the user to get a firm two-handed grip on the drill, helping to prevent wrist injuries. A metal housing on the front of the unit provides added durability, making it suitable for a pro job site. At number 4. DeWalt Corded Drill, 8.0 amp, March 8 INCH, DWD115K. One of the most noticeable features of DeWalt's 3/8 inch drill is its mid-handle grip. This variation on the standard pistol style found with most corded drills adds balance that makes it easier to use with one hand. That makes it easier to manage the impressive 2,500 RPM its 8 amp motor can produce. Other notable features include a variable speed reverse trigger that makes it easier to remove a stuck bit or to back out screws, and a keyless chuck, a feature typically not found on corded drills, that allows for fast bit changes. Most of DeWalt's drills are made to take a licking and keep on ticking, and this model is no different. Its hard outer shell can endure a pro construction site and even a stray rain shower thanks to its IP65 rating. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.